Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. This is under Mathematics 5. So let us have example number 1. So that is 2 over 8 times 4 over 6. And this is how you are going to solve for it. Let's write solution here. And then kindly copy the given. And that is 2 over 8 times 4 over 6. There are two ways. Let me show you the first way of solving it, the usual way. When I say the usual way, you just need to multiply the numerators. So 2 times 4, that's 8. And then just multiply the denominators. So 8 times 6, that's 48. And then just think of a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder, since our answer here is a proper fraction already. So there's no need for us to change this into a mixed number. But we need to simplify this. So we can just divide this by 2. It's fine. But if you want to divide this by 4, it is also fine. But if you divide this by 2, just make sure that you will simplify it again, okay? Also for 4, 8 divided by 4, that's 2. 48 divided by 4, that's 12. So we have here 2 over 12. This is not the final answer because there's still a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder, and that is 2. So 2 divided by 2, that's 1. 12 divided by 2, that's 6. So the answer here is 1 over 6, but let me show you the second way of solving it. So I will be copying the solution here and then copy the given. So it will become 2 over 8 times 4 over 6. And then let's do the cross multiplication. Partners are 2 and 6, and then after that we have here 8 and 4. For 2 and 6, just think of a number that can divide 2 and 6 at the same time without remainder. So that's 2. So 2 divided by 2, that's 1. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. And then for 8 and 4, we can use 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then let's multiply the numbers that we have now. So for the numerator, we both have 1. So that's 1 times 1 is 1. For the denominator, we have 2 and 3. So 2 times 3, that's 6. So as you can see, the answers are the same, both 1 and 6, but different ways. So you can use any method that you are comfortable using. No problem with that, as long as your answer at the end is correct. Let us have another example. We have here 9 over 12 times 5 over 10. Let's just copy the given. So that is 9 over 12 times 5 over 10. Let me just use the second way that I have shown you earlier. Let's do the cross multiplication method. So for 9 and 10, though they are partners, but we cannot simplify it because there's no number that can divide 9 and 10 at the same time without remainder. So also for 12 and 5, there's no number that can divide 12 and 5 at the same time without remainder. So therefore, though I want to use the cross multiplication method, I can. So we will be using the first method now. So 9 times 5, that's 45 here. And then in our denominator, that's 12 times 10, that's 120. And then just check if there's still a number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. And that is, we can use 5. 45 divided by 5, that's 9. 120 divided by 5, that's 24. And we can still divide this by 3. So 9 divided by 3, that's 3. 24 divided by 3, that's 8. So 3 over 8 is the final answer because it is a proper fraction. So there's no need for us to change that into a mixed number. And there's no number that can divide the numerator and denominator at the same time without remainder. So let me just show you another way that I can solve for it. Solution. I'll copy the given. So we have here 9 over 12 times 5 over 10. It is only applicable if you can simplify the numerator and denominator of each given. So in this, as you can see, I have here 9 and 12. I can divide this by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And for 5 and 10, I can divide this both by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So now, my new given is 3 over 4 times 1 half. And then just do the usual way of multiplying fractions. Multiply 3 and 1, that's 3. And then 4 times 2, that's 8. So as you can see, we have same answer, right? But different method. Again, you may use any method that you are comfortable using. No problem with any method. Next, we have here example number 3. Let's solve for it. Let's write the solution here. And then let's copy the given. So that's 21 over 30 times 15 over 28. Let's do cross multiplication here. Partners are 21 and 28 and 30 and 15. For 21 and 28, we can just divide this both by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 28 divided by 7 is 4. And then for 30 and 15, we can use 15 here. If you want to use 5, then it's fine. But make sure that you will simplify your answer, okay? So 15 divided by 15 is 1. 30 divided by 15 is 2. So let's multiply now. 3 times 1, that's 3. 2 times 4, it's 8. So the answer is 3 over 8 again. So this is the end of our topic, multiplication of fraction to fraction. If you have further inquiries about us or about the topic, kindly message the FB page of the Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.